Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, I can. I can hear you. You cannot hear me? Hello, 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 hello. I can hear you. You can hear me? Okay, okay. Hello. Yes, they had the contract draft wasn't signed, and but they were paid in the base of that contract draft. For the last 3 months they were paid, and it is the amount for the last 2 months, and the month we are currently in, the due date for the salaries is right now, today, tomorrow, and they all have left for another organization. But when they played in this qualifier, they were paid by our organization, and you know, you talked to me about transmitting the game last time, and so 3 players left, and 2 players remained, and the organization that paid them during I don't know how is the protocol in this case. You have sent me the contract? No, please tell me. You send via hello sign to what email, please? Can you please write? I haven't understand. I didn't understand. To what email did you send the contract? Okay. Yes. So to the organization, right? This is the email. You know, this is one of the players who will play today. He didn't forward the email with the assignment to the management. It is a big management problem in our organization. I admit it. But okay. I understand. Do you want the long version or the short version? The short version, there was a LAN last week where our players were paid to and qualified and paid to go, and there, behind my back, they talked with another organization, and when they came back, they waited for the salary day so they can take my money and go play for that organization. And they stole my CE slot and stole the SEA slot. It would be a total compromise. I mean, we would play for nothing. And that in that tournament, we were the first or second favorite after Nexus or in front of them. We lost, so you know the atmosphere there. We lost 2 best of 3s, 0-2, 0-2 with lousy performance, and it was a huge scandal since they returned. You know, we are washing our laundry in public for 3 days. I am a streamer. I have a big community. They support the team. That's why we allow ourselves to pay the second highest salaries in our country. And I had to tell the people. They asked me, Mr. Computers, where is our team? You left to the LAN in Cluj with 5 players, and we lost an owner. We lost an owner because he got drunk and he ruined he told the team he will let go. It was big management problem. That is the fact. But they were snakes behind my back, tried to take my last salary. For example, yesterday they already signed with the new organization. Yesterday, 2 days ago, they were asking for salary in full this month after they their lousy prestation at the LAN, and I told them this month for the lousy training and all the matches you've lost, I make you 300 euros this salary, and everybody jumped on me. No, how can you do that? You change salaries from month to month. That isn't allowed. Now I look at the gear, how much gear I gave them. 2 months. 2 months they play for us. 3 months. This is the 3rd month. They get gear of 300 euros, and they ask payment in full when they know, like the little bitches they were going already talked with another organization behind my back and just waited to get the salary from me and for left. So I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I have to consult with my other owner. I told you we've lost an owner. We were 3 owners. I have 3 owners and 5 players when they left to Cluj, and when they come back I have 0 players. I mean, we still have good relationship with 2 of the players, with White and with Sound, because they also have to get some money back, but they will get some money, some payment, some liquidation. Okay, and but the other 3, tell me, what would you do in my case? Would you pay them? Or what? Would you let them pay? Let them play the slot for another organization? Okay. Yes, but they said they do it with my approval, right? With the approval from the organization. What did they say? What did they say?
They didn't mention that there is an approval. They just mentioned that there is a change in the lineup. And
there is a change. Oh, so they would say they would play under the same organization?
Yeah, I had no idea there is a different organization included.
They are currently signed with another. Yes, okay.
The important question is now, All Star Gaming is supposed to play in an hour and 20 minutes. Do you have a lineup for that?
I have a stable 5-man lineup with 2 players from the whole team. If it is possible to play like this, I don't want to include one of the 3 the 3 snakes that went. If it is possible to play this way, to make the game and to honor the competition. If not, if the alternative is let the players, let the old players I mean, but they still would play only 3, not all the all 5 that qualified. They would play